So end of the first 4-day masterclass. It's been quite an experience for all of us, including me, because it's the first time I've actually put a masterclass together for 4 days. Fantastic group of creatives who came on the course from all over the UK and from the States, professional artists, hobbyists, people from different walks of life wanting to kind of learn glass painting work and enamel work. I think we'll be doing more of these 4-day events moving forward. People seem to like them, especially if they're coming a distance from Europe or from the States or from further afield. You know, if you're coming all that way to come and do a course, you know, spending 4 days or even longer learning this particular set of craft skills is, you know, it makes a lot of sense. So look out for some more dates, which will be coming out in due course. And we cover a lot of different techniques, from brushwork to dipping pen work, to sgraffito work, to working with stains and shading, special effect work, and then all the enamel work as well, all the colored enamel work. And we do multiple platings, and we make masks, etc. So, you know, we cover a lot of ground over those 4 days. And
the amount that I've learned has been endless.
So what was the hardest bit? What was the bit that you found most challenging?
As using the sticky back plastic, and thinking about what you needed to have paint on and what you didn't need to have paint on was really difficult. And I've enjoyed it all, though. It's been wonderful, absolutely wonderful.
Can't wait to see the end results.
No, nor can
I. You've done glass painting work before, yes?
I've done a bit of it before, but what I've enjoyed about this is it's been quite intense. Having the course over the 4 days means that there's a lot going on and a lot to take in, but at the same time it really it's focused my attention on the huge amount of learning and things that I can take away from. I think the thing that was most challenging for me was the thinking in layers. And planning it out. I've got a tendency sometimes to jump in and want to do everything all at once. So I've had to sort of slow my thinking, slow down the processes, take it bit at a time, and make sure I get it right.
Really enjoying it. Fabulous course.
Yeah?
Absolutely terrific. I mean, just so many things, so much information. I mean, it's going to be great going back to my studio and applying it and practicing all these techniques. I think one of the areas that I really enjoyed, which I didn't expect to enjoy so much, was the sgraffito work. I think some of the effects there are absolutely amazing. And yes, there's just so much information. I mean, it's been so concentrated, and it's incredible how fast the time's gone.
It's so great to come to somebody else's studio and see how they do things. Everyone has their own way of doing things, and I'm just learning a lot from you and the other artists here. And I know I keep asking tons of questions, but just like hearing like your approach and how you think and how you problem solve, and it's really interesting.
Summary of the 4-day event. The very first one that we've done is fantastic, really energizing, but intense. So yeah, I hope everybody enjoyed it, and everybody's about to arrive in the next few minutes to pick up their pieces, as you can see here. So yeah.
The colours are strong. This is yours. Oh, that's nice. Just the colours in that's just stunning.
Really, that orange is so nice.
Oh,
yeah, well, you could do on top of that.
around the
Just you playing, and that's
I think it's just fabulous.
really
Awesome, interesting stuff.
Looking forward to doing more of these longer master class events. Talk to you soon. Bye for now.